Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is ABHILASH. I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. And my dear friends, this is the 15-minute chart of gold in front of us, and we can see that gold is trading around 3360. Okay, and technically the market is bullish. We can see gold is forming higher highs and higher lows. But obviously the direction of the market is not very clear. Means if you are a day trader, if you're looking for some good positions in the market, then obviously you must be frustrated because the trend of the market is still not clear. Nobody knows right now whether gold will be going up or gold will be going down, because we were expecting a good amount of downside below 3350. After making a low of 3031, okay, gold recovered immediately, but the recovery is also not very clean. So as a result, traders are finding it difficult to understand the reduction of gold. Everyone, okay. So if you have already been through the message that I posted in the morning, then you must be knowing that what are the trading opportunities. If you're still not a part of the free Telegram community, feel free to join. The link will be in the description. And be careful, there are lots of scams also going on in my name. For example, this big community, okay, is also a scam. Okay, I do not have any investment schemes. Please stay away. Only join the Telegram community from the link in the description. Okay. And now if you look at the market sentiment, you can see gold rises for third session. Gold edges higher amid Fed rate cut hopes. Means okay, market is expecting rate cuts in the month of September. So let's see what are the trading opportunities on gold. Okay, so this is the 15-minute chart of gold in front of us. If we look at the hourly chart, okay, the hourly chart is much more confusing. Okay, so as a day trader, let's look at the 15-minute time frame of gold. And if you are a swing trader, if you are looking for a good position that you can hold for the next couple of days, then I don't feel this is the right time. Okay, obviously day trading is my forte. Okay, I'm not a very good swing trader. Okay, but still, as far my knowledge goes, okay, this is not the right time for swing traders. Okay, if I'm wrong, please write down in the comment section. Would love to learn. So yesterday when we were discussing about gold, okay, when we were discussing about gold, gold was trading somewhere around here, okay, and 3355, okay, was the strong resistance for gold, but we were pretty confident that gold would break the level because okay, it was testing the level too many times, and as we all know, market doesn't like common levels. Okay, so as expected, market broke the resistance, and our yellow box also did a perfect job. Okay, we were expecting a selling pressure around the level of 336568. It also did a fantastic job. Okay, but now we can see the market has made a high of 3375. This is the recent high. Okay, and market is also forming higher lows here, so we need to plan our trades accordingly. Okay, so is this a sideways market? Obviously no, this is not a sideways market. This is a, you can say that this is a bullish market, but the trend of the market is not very clear. So if you have any buy right now, okay, if you are sitting on a buy position, you can hold your buy position with your stop loss below 3350. अगर आपका बाय है तो आप होल्ड कर सकते हो with your stop loss below 3350 because the structure is still very much bullish. Okay, and if you're looking for a fresh position in the market, then obviously it will be better for you to stick to the levels. Okay, on the chart of gold right now, okay, the blue box, which is 333135, okay, this seems to be the best support. Okay, the blue box 3331 3335, okay, seems to be the best support. Okay, I don't think so market will be going down below this support that easily. As a day trader, okay, if market gives us a surprise, okay, then at least we can expect a good amount of buying, okay, around this area. Okay, and now we can see that market is trading around the red box here. Okay, the red box is no longer valid. Okay, it was valid in the morning, but right now it is not valid. So during the day, okay, if market comes down, then we can also look for a support around. Okay, let me close this. Yeah, we can look for a support around, okay, 3352 3355. This is the next support on the chart of gold, where we can expect a bounce of around 40 to 60 pips. Okay, around 40 to 56. Why are we expecting? Because 3350 is a round number, and previously market has also bounced from this particular zone. Right now we can see there is not much volume in the market, so we are expecting a bounce around this area. And if we add the flavor of FIBO here, then we also have FIBO 50% retracement level. But in this type of market situation, FIBO doesn't work properly. Okay, but still we have FIBO as well. Okay, so let's hope that 3350 works. But if you see that there is a sudden selling pressure in the market during the US session, especially because of the news of jobless claims data, okay, then we can also look for a sell below 3350. Okay, if market breaks this particular low here. So on the chart, on the chart, not on the chart of support, on the chart of gold, okay, technically we have two good levels right now. Okay, 333135, the blue box here, this seems to be good support, and for day traders we have a minor support around 335250. Obviously, okay, these levels will also provide some minor support to the market around 4243, but it depends on the volume. Okay, during the US session, okay, if market drops with volume, they may not work, and right now, okay, chances of market coming to these levels are very less, so let's not discuss about them and waste time. Okay, and if market goes up from here, okay, if market goes up from here, then we need to observe the market around the high of 3375. Okay, 3375. For example, okay, if you look at the previous breakouts, you can see that whenever, okay, market was crossing the previous high, when market was breaking the previous high, the breakouts were not clean. For example, see, when market broke this high, the breakout was not clean. So be careful during breakout. If you see market consolidating before the breakout, then only go for it. Okay, as we have already discussed many times in our previous videos also, that before a breakout, consolidation is very important. Otherwise it can be a false breakout as well, because when a move starts from the bottom, okay, from the base, the market is tired by the time it goes up. So when market will hit 337273 area, observe the market, observe कीजिए. अगर आप देखते हो कि okay, before the breakout market is consolidating for 30 minutes, 40 minutes, then it is going up, you can go for a buy. Okay, otherwise better avoid. There's a high chance that it will fail. And we have a resistance around 3382, 3393. These are the two resistances on the chart of gold as a day trader, where we can look for a sell position. Yes, as a day trader only, means do not expect much. Okay, in this situation, if you can score 50 to 70 pips also, it is good enough. We are expecting, yeah. Oh no, sorry, forgot. Okay, here we are using, okay, simple, okay, price action here. The previous support will be working as resistance around 3382, and we are expecting resistance around 3393. Same, the previous support will be working as resistance. So these are the two resistances on the chart of gold, where we can look for a sell position if market goes up. Okay, but at first we need to observe the market around this black line here. Okay, if market consolidates before the breakout, then only buy at breakout, otherwise avoid. Okay, and if anything, okay, crazy happens, okay, or if we get any surprise from gold, I will update in the Telegram community. But as of now, we don't have much to discuss on gold right now. Technically the market may be bullish, but as a trader, this chart is not very clean for us.